GS1 standards and identifiers make the entire building lifecycle more efficient, from design through to procurement, commissioning, handover, ongoing maintenance, and recycling. Let's see where GS1 standards and assets tags can help in an example plant room setting. There are a number of unique identification keys used here. These include GTINs identifying products and parts, GIAIs identifying maintainable assets, GRAIs identifying returnable assets, GSRNs identifying people, GLNs identifying locations. Meet Jane, whose GSRN identifies her as being a designer. Jane uses GS1 standards to check that the items installed in the plant room match her specifications. This plant room is identified by a unique GLN. When Jane scans a GTIN or GIAI, she gets verification that the actual item's properties and attributes match her design criteria and the health and safety file, for example. She can also open the associated BIM models on her handheld device to confirm the accuracy of the installation. Paul is an installer. He uses the GIAI tag to access installation instructions and to confirm that he has a target time to complete this task using data pulled from the 4D BIM models. The maintenance team benefit a lot from GS1 standards. Jack is a service engineer with his GSRN linking to details about his skill set, certifications, and daily work schedule. When he enters a plant room, he can scan the GLN tag to get a list of all open tasks in that room. Jack uses the GIAI to access the manufacturer's data and the maintenance history of an asset. Replacement parts are delivered in advance of Jack's visit by an automated guided vehicle with a GRAI tag. The packages in the automated guided vehicle are labeled with serial shipping container codes. Files sent to Jack's handheld device provide details about the individual replacement parts identified by GTINs contained in the delivery. Scanning newly installed parts updates the asset's maintenance history. Swapped out parts can be scanned and returned to maintenance stores for refurbishment and reuse or for recycling. As all this activity is recorded, it can be analyzed to improve designs and processes. GS1 standards, helping to digitalize the built environment.